Wire cut machine creates a variety of cookies, biscuits, and bar products. It is designed to provide piece weight accuracy and reliability, and is best for nondescript shapes, with or without inclusions. The wire cut machine uniformly cuts individual shapes at up to 600 pieces per minute, depending on product type. Product settings can be stored as a machine recipe. Die assembly and cutting wire can be changed quickly between production runs for different products. Hopper and wire cut head assemblies can be completely removed for sanitation and preventative maintenance. Operators can safely access all parts of the machine during changeovers and plant-scheduled maintenance. The wire cut machine can be supplied as a mobile unit with an integrated transfer conveyor, or it can be installed directly onto an existing production frame.